Accounting for fixed assets, and in this module we will discuss disposal of fixed asset at the start of the year, and this disposal is leaving a loss. This is one scenario that we will discuss along with its working and its presentation in the TA account, etc. So please be attentive that this practice question is telling us that on 1st January X9, there is a machine costing 70,000 and its accumulated depreciation on that date is 50,000. And we are selling this asset for 15,000 on 1st of January 2000 X9. Okay, so same day when we are like, this was the asset which was with us for so many number of years, supposedly 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So now we are disposing it off. Okay, so its cost is given, its accumulated depreciation till the date of disposal is given, and its disposal proceed or the sales proceed is given, and we have to work out its asset disposal account and then profit on disposal or loss on disposal whatsoever. In this scenario, there would be loss. Let's see how to prepare these T accounts. We have machinery account with us, provision for depreciation account with us, and asset disposal account with us. Always remember, machinery account is debit. Its opening balance will be placed in the debit side in its nature side, and provision of depreciation's nature is credit. Its opening balance will be placed in the credit side. Since there is no more buying of the asset and we are in fact selling the asset on the same day, so transfer this 70,000 in the asset disposal account and transfer this 50,000 in the asset disposal account. So by doing this, asset account will give nil balance and provision for depreciation account will also give nil balance. And we are selling this asset for 15,000, and we know very well that when we sell the asset, cash is debit. We are receiving cash, and disposal account is credit. So in this disposal account, we are putting this cash in the credit side, 15,000. Got it? So after doing this, what will happen? Now we have to balance this ledger account. In order to balance this ledger account, its debit side is heavier, and there is 65,000 in the credit side, leaving a loss of 5,000. I believe you are expert in balancing the ledgers now. So the important tips to remember in this module are in fact the same that we discussed in the previous module. What are those? That we have to identify the accumulated depreciation balance till the date of disposal, which is given in the question straight away. We did not need to work it out through working in this scenario especially. And then transfer it to the asset disposal account and transfer cost of the asset to the asset disposal account, and then the sale proceed of the disposal of asset is to be taken to the asset disposal account. We will get profit or loss. These 4 steps are very important to remember. Thank you.